Hey, Dave We Like here. Now, I really think that everybody out there should protect themselves from the buildup of junk that their mattress will have over time. So I got the Pod Protector by 8 Sleep. So in the meantime, the Pod Protector is going to be protecting the mattress from allergens, pet dander, bacteria, dust mites, pests, pollen, mildew, and mold. So a bunch of stuff that you just don't want your mattress to be interacting with and building up over time, because that's going to be affecting you at the end of the day, since you're putting, your body on your mattress. And as you can see here, the Pod Protector basically just comes in one color. It's white. The very top of the sheet, that's the part that's going to be waterproof, right? So as you can see here, as I'm getting wet in the shower, all the water is bouncing off of the sheet, at least on the top portion. Now here's the thing, the sides themselves don't have this waterproof element. They just simply wrap around the mattress and that's it. So you're really protecting the top portion of the mattress, which again is the portion that you're going to be sleeping on and is going to definitely be affecting you the most. Now, because I do have the 8 Sleep Pod Pro, I can still adjust the temperature and make it cold or make it hot. And the Pod Protector doesn't interfere with me feeling those temperature changes. I think that about covers it. So go ahead and let me know if you have any comments, questions, or concerns in the comment section below, as well as subscribe to this channel as well for more of my videos coming soon.